I pass on this floor to you. Welcome, Mr. Visa, to Karnataka, and over to you, Venkatesh. Thank you so much.
Good evening, all. Thank you so much, John, for the wonderful introduction. And we will move on to the premium vendor session. I think Karnataka is doing really wonderful in many of the activities in Gigi. So we'll go into the very interesting and lucrative area of premium vendors. I'll just open my presentation. So I think the screen will be visible.
Very much, sir. Yeah.
So we are now going to see about the power of the premium vendor. And I am really happy that I am one of the premium vendor who is very happily enjoying the business as well as the revenue in Global Garner as a premium vendor and as the partner in Global Garner. So we'll move on to the slide. So in a digital mall, how you earn income, in what all ways you can earn income is sale of a digital mall in the leadership ladder. When you sell a digital mall, definitely you're going to have a revenue. Adding vendors into Global Garner, you are going to get a revenue of 2.75% of the income. Adding users and make them to transact. It is not only adding users will give you only coins, 50 coins, as well as when you ask them to transact, you're going to getting a continuous revenue of that. What transaction adds more money? That we should focus, because anywhere, any businessman is very smart to earn more money. So we have to look into the smart ways of earning money. And when you pay EB bills, what is the percentage you will get it? Can anyone put it in the chat box? What is going to be the income when you pay EB bills? So when you promote online brands, what is going to be the income? When you promote mega brands, what is going to be the income in the digital mall? UPass commission, what you are going to get? So people are here. I am not able to see anything in the chat.
.3%.
0.3. Okay, I just want to, Sudeep is giving 10%. Wow, 10% of our paying EB bills for online brands, for mega brands, local vendors. So what is the percentage you get in UPass when you have a local vendor at 5%? Can anyone give me a clear idea? What is the percentage of income? John sir has given 0.5. When you have a vendor at 5%, you're going to get 0.5. And when you have a vendor enrolled at 6%, what is going to be the commission? It is going to be 1%, right? When you have 10%, what is going to be the commission? When you have 10% as the local vendor, commission paid to Global Garner, what is going to be the revenue which you are going to earn? I can see a good, John sir has put 0.5. When you get 10%, it is going to be 0.5. When you select a vendor for 11%, you will be getting 1%. Because when you take it for 10%, 5% is redeemed in coins. So it is actually counted in as 5% in the vendor category. So this is how the income is being shared. So when you have a local vendor at 6%, you will get 1%. When you have a local vendor at 10%, you will get only 0.5. So when you are onboarding a local vendor, you should be very clear that either he should go at 6, or if he wants to accept coins, he should go at 11, not at 10, because we lose half our revenue on that. So we should focus on that. Likewise, when you are talking about 0.5 and 1 here, what is the commission if the digital mall owner is going to earn when he is onboarding a premium vendor? Can anyone share it there? It is Roopshri, she has given very clearly, and Vanamali, both of them are given that it is 10%. So when you recruit at a premium vendor and when we give business to a premium vendor, you directly take into your wallet as 10%. See, people, I think totally around 45 people are here. I think around 50% or more than 50% will be business people, people who are in business. And after all your inputs, all your income expenditure, net take home in your business, I'm sure that it will not be exceeding 10%. And if it is definitely exceeding 10%, definitely you will not be in Global Garner, because that itself is a very good business. So here, premium vendor is giving 10%. The digital mall owner is getting 10% for that. I would like to share my story over here. See, when I went to China in the year 2006, that was the first time I visited there. And I was telling them that I had been in business for the past 20 years. 15, 16 years I was there in business. And we had developed all these things I was explaining. 20 years, 16 years you are telling, but what is the business you did? I told I started from scratch. I took loan from TIC. Then we built the infrastructure. Then we developed the product. Then we marketed. Then on all the stories they will be listening to me. It is across a dinner. So it was a lengthy discussion. We are just telling my stories. It is like one-to-one interaction. It was going on. And suddenly after everything is over, you mean to say that 15 years you worked for the bank and for the past 2 years you are working for you. I was literally shocked because I was clearly explained and made understood by a small salesperson in China that 14 years I was paying only the bank loans. And the past 2 years only, I started slowly making money. So he straight away put that I was working for a bank for 14 years and I was not doing business. I was proudly telling that I am a businessman. I have 16 years of experience, but I have not seen money. Why I am here in Global Garner is because of this. Because I get net take home as 10% less TDS is my income, which is not in my business, which I am running it for the past 30 years. And this business is going to give you a consistent income. So how a premium vendor is going to contribute, leave alone all the other transactions happening in this Global Garner. This premium vendor is going to be the life changer for you if you focus on promoting the premium vendor into the platform as well as giving business to the premium vendor. See, available premium vendors. Actually, these people are all onboarded into Global Garner for Tamil Nadu, and they are geared to handle Pan India. So I am giving you a small example. Maharaja Malige Kit. Malige means grocery in Tamil. Malige means grocery in Tamil. So this particular kit is available for 1,500 rupees. It has consistent of 22 products, which is commonly used in a home. And a particular company has bundled all these things and they have put it in the digital mall as a package. And you order it, you will get, 1,500 rupees means 150 rupees you will get. And this is a very commonly used item every month on month in each and every household. So you're going to get a revenue for that. And one more, agro snacks and organics is there. These people are slightly inclined towards organic. So they are putting same grocery item in organic. They also have a combo pack available to us. Ideal Traders is there for rice. I think definitely you will be accepting rice is an inevitable commodity in every house. At least one meal goes with rice. So this person is there inside it. Vishnu Priya Home Foods is there. He is from Trichy. He is from a native place called Srirangam, where traditional Iyengar house, and they prepare on order, and they give you a very quality spice. Mix of rice mix, idli podi, all these items. They have sattumavu and a lot of other items. They give a combo pack for about 500 rupees and a monthly combo for about 1,000 rupees. All these things are available with them. You can go through the Global Garner platform and you can find. And V2V and Rasi are for ghee. They are doing all India now. They are doing huge volume of business. On Independence Day alone, this V2V had taken an order of 60 numbers of orders on a single day. It is 66 numbers of order on Independence Day. They had some combo offer. And DPR Moringa. Moringa means it is drumstick. And this particular company is into export of moringa products, that is drumstick products, they are exporting. The moringa leaf, they are making some extracts, they are making powder. It has a lot of medicinal value. This particular company is inside Global Garner as a premium vendor. Pharma company is there. It is supplying medicines all over, and it is ready to pay 16% to Global Garner, and Global Garner is giving 10% to the premium vendor. Agal Enterprises is there. It is doing all the palm squashes. You find a lot of rasna, trinca, all these things are completely chemical, but here it is completely natural, made from palm products. Fish is there in Global Garner. Honey is there with 20 flavors. Cleaning, floor cleaner is there. Jaggery and food products is there. And traditional snacks is there. And farm fresh milky mist products are there. So these are all the items which are used in a house on a monthly basis. So these are all already there in Global Garner. So in your region, if you could bring these type of people, definitely a regional player can become a global player. See, these type of products like moringa and special products like homemade foods, all these things finds a market in each and every house because it has its own quality and the fragrance which is accepted by the people. So when you could find a local product, palm squash is getting sent to Delhi now through Global Garner. So this is happening continuously, and Nature Honey, almost they are working on a different methodology to sell it across the globe. So these are all products which are consumed. As a DM owner, if you start buying it for your home, what will be the business happening in this? Definitely, if this put together, it will be definitely 10,000 rupees. So for per house, it is 10,000 rupees. Assume that with 200 users in your UPass, per house spends 10,000 rupees. What is going to be your income? Can you just imagine? I am giving you a practical figure. As of now, I have around 140 users, of which almost this particular product has been used by around 60 people because the product is of good quality as well as the value for money. So automatically people start using it. So when I make it 100, automatically my income, consistent income is going to be 1 lakh. Because people who are pitched in into Global Garner will not leave, first thing. Second thing is, people who have tasted this type of foods, definitely they want to continue because it is of high quality. It is making you healthy as well as wealthy. As a digital mall owner, you can enjoy it. So 2 lakh income from this is feasible. Coming to the annual purchase item, in Tamil Nadu, there is a good competition for insurance. Apart from Global Garner, CN Insurance is there, Way to Health is there. T-shirts, I think Samurai is from Bangalore. Samurai exports, Sharketable and Enwear, baby good products and handloom products like this, tours and travels and footwears. These are all annual expenditure which is going to happen in a house. Assume that annually you spend 10,000 rupees on an insurance. It may be a medical, it may be a vehicle, or it may be whatever it may be. For 200 users, if you spend 10,000 rupees annually, then your annual income becomes 2 lakhs. Is it possible or not? Definitely think of it. It is possible. See, we have premium vendors available when you have a wedding in your family. You have a small wedding in your family. You have premium vendors for invitation. It is twinkle printers. Bridal makeup, it is there. And photography, we have around 6 vendors as of now who has joined Global Garner as premium vendors. Floral garland, Devi petals is there. Wedding cake, D flavors is there. Stage decoration, Cine Decors is there. Saris, golden. Catering, Shankaras and Tangam. Sweets, Malgudi Mithai and Ramana Iyer is there. Furniture is there. Honeymoon trips, 2 travel agents are there. Short trips, Kodaikanal hotel is there. Silver jewelry, 1 is there. Another also joined. Theme park is there. And if they want to construct a new house, 2 builders are here. So assume you identify a wedding and what is going to be an income. For an invitation, they will be spending 50,000 rupees. I am giving you a budget wedding on a normal middle income group, not in a high class wedding. And bridal makeup 20,000 rupees. For Bangalore conditions, 20,000 is too small for a bridal makeup. For a photography, 2 lakhs. Floral around 20,000. Wedding cake is 5,000. Stage decoration is 3 lakhs. Sari dress material 2 lakhs. Catering is around 4 lakhs. Sweets is around 10,000. Furnitures, honeymoon trips, short trips to Korea, and silver articles is going to be there. Apart from this, we have regular vendors on gold and other things. So 15 lakh is spent on a wedding is a very small amount, and you are going to earn 1,56,000. So likewise, we can create groups and we can start working on it. I had just selected a few of the vendors which is available with us, and I'm just explaining this presentation to you. So what is the scope available? Only thing is we need to explore so that it is possible. So when you give business to premium vendors, direct income is of 10% is going to be consistent. Okay. Today in Tamil Nadu, I can tell you 10 vendors who have already become UPass, and 4 vendors who had been getting business regularly has gone for Go11. 4 vendors has already gone for Go11, and they are comfortable seeing the business volume which is happening here. Okay, so converting a premium vendor converting premium vendor to UPass is possible. Converting premium vendor to Go11 is happening. So instead of marketing your UPass directly, running around and explaining the concept, take his product, take it to the country. Definitely he will join the platform because he is going to enjoy the fruits. You are going to give him sweets and then welcoming him to the forum, giving him the fruits of that, and automatically he is going to be with you. Creating a leader in your group. When you start creating a leader in your group, definitely it is going to be a lifetime asset. Identify a product, and I will give you the list of products you can identify. See, to promote a premium vendor, I'll give you a small idea, which I used to practice, and I'm consistently doing it. Give to your HNI friend. You have a good friend whose net worth is high. He is not very much focused on Global Garner, and he will not give you time to listen to you when you start about Global Garner. Straight away, he will tell, sir, I can't do this MLM business and all, sir. I have better jobs to do. That will be the answer from you. Just gift him one ghee bottle. Automatically, you do it in take your digital mall, order it, deliver at his home. He is going to enjoy the ghee for the first month. Second month, he need not do anything. His family will ask the ghee again. Definitely, he will come to you. You tell him that you become a Gigi user. Automatically, you will be having it. Today, we have Samurai t-shirts are there. Automatically, he will become a user, right? Over a period of time, month on month, he is going to get it from you. He will come back to you. I am sure I had seen people coming back to me, and definitely they will become a digital mall owner. When you are buying it month on month, you want to save 10% of it. For all your expenditure, you make it. His monthly expenditure is going to be 1 lakh. And 10,000 rupees is going to get back. In 6 months, he is going to get his UPass money. Why he will not go for it? So ask him to taste the fruits. He is going to come back to you. So ghee user t-shirt, you can print his name on that and send it. Definitely, he will be running a big company. He will come and ask if I can do it for all my employees. What is the methodology? So tell him you join Gigi, you will get it. Definitely, he is going to come to you. Next year, he wants to have a repeat of the t-shirt. You can tell him, you need not wait till that time. Definitely, he will ask to gift it to somebody. You can ask him to join in Gigi. See, this premium honey products is my Diwali gift for this year. He has around 20 varieties of ghee. I picked up a sample of around 7 or 8 varieties, and I'm enjoying it. I'm happy. Now, I had given an idea to him that you have half kg pack, 4 numbers in a very hard cartoon box, which is in a presentable way. And I'm doing that packing in Bangalore only. So what he is going to do is, it is going to be a gift box. Instead of giving sweets, you have a combo for 2,000 rupees, only honey of 5 different varieties. He's having garlic honey, turmeric honey, what is that? Ginger honey and wild forest honey. Like this, he has 21 varieties. Strawberry honey and all these things. And when he was giving a presentation to us in the knowledge sharing session, I was surprised. He's telling where that particular fruit is there, they pick up honeybees over there. They have a small honeycomb created over there, and all these flowers, nectar will be there. So the fragrance and the taste will be the same, and it has a lot of pollens into it, which gives value to it. I mean, which gives the nutrient value to it. So I asked him to make an article of all these things and prepare it separately for each and every model of honey, which I am going to put it in the gift box. And it is going to be my Diwali gift for, say, about 100 people or 200 people who are whom I am gifting them more than value of 2,000 to 2,500 rupees once in a while. So this is my product. So I had identified the product. Now I am uplifting the vendor to the next level. He was surprised listening to it. And he really accepted, and he went to the Bangalore vendor who does the cartoon box. And he is actually doing cartoon box for the star hotels. So he made it, it is on process. By 1st of October, definitely it will be ready. And we are elevating that vendor also to the next level. Automatically, this honey is going to be a big market. And already I had sent it to Vikas also. So it is going to be an international product available to us. So they will become a Gigi user. They will become a Gigi vendor. Automatically Go11 for a HNI person. Go11 is only for shares. Remaining, we should work on it and make them a set of people of 11 whom we are gifting. I always combine this HNI with the Go11. See, HNI people, they just invest for shares. So the 11 people we identify from the studentpreneur who are really hardworking, but they don't have the capacity to invest. Ask them to invest a portion of the money, and you gift the UPAS to them. Automatically, they will work, and the income is going to the investor as well as to us as a small commission, and user will increase. Regular monthly income will also increase. This premium vendor is a driving tool. So who can be a prospective premium vendor? So there are certain special products of Karnataka. Today we are talking about, we normally talk about Tirunelveli Alva. Everyone knows about Tirunelveli Alva. Like that, every place has a native product. If we talk about Sonpapadi, we immediately remember Haldiram's Nagpur. Likewise, that has already reached global. But we have a certain amount of products which has not reached global. See, Kakada we had heard, we had seen everything, but everywhere it is not available. So likewise, lot of products which are native of Karnataka is there. So this product, it can be made global so that we can able to enhance their business and automatically they will be with us. And you have to identify people who has a big vision to grow. It should not be a small trader who is buying from somebody and doing it. It is very difficult for him to scale up and very difficult for him to pay commission to global. At the same time, if he has a good manufacturer and if he can scale up this capacity, definitely he is the right person for a premium vendor. And consumables. When you take my product into Global Garner, it is a one-time business. Solar water heater or a solar power plant, it is going to be one time. Whereas when you take consumables, month on month, you are going to get revenue out of it. We should act very smart here. You identify a product which is consumed every month. So our monthly income is there. You identify a product which is yearly ones. I showed you, tour, insurance, all these things are yearly ones. Those people, if they are there, then automatically it is going to be a yearly income. So startup company with a big production capacity. See, today Gigi has signed for a sweet company which has invested 5 crores on the machinery. And it is going to be across the country before Diwali. So the capacity is 5 crore on the machinery for a sweet manufacturing company. Means it is very massive and they can produce 10 tons every day. That is the production capacity. So for these type of companies, this platform is going to be very big. And the entrepreneur should be very, 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 very broad-minded, like our Vikas. See, when we are giving 16% or 20% from a premium vendor, Global Gunner wants 5% for the cashback. Global Gunner wants administration 1%. Remaining 10%, it is paying back to the real promoter, who is the digital mall owner. The person who is really fetching business is the digital mall owner. So he is given 10%. Think of it, if it is 6% vendor or a premium vendor, it makes no difference for Global Gunner. For us, if it is a premium vendor, he is sharing what is the percentage of profit which he is getting, income he is getting. He is sharing almost more than 10%, 50% of the income if it is a 20% vendor, or if it is a 16% vendor, you think of it, it is 70% of the income we are taking. So when an entrepreneur is entering into the market, he should be having a big vision to share his margins and do bigger volumes. See, today in my business, I am not able to cross Tamil Nadu because of the reason that I was worried about setting up an infrastructure in other places, because there are a lot of risk factors available in my product. If I open a store over there, if I appoint a person in Karnataka or in Andhra or in the upcountry, I'm not able to monitor him properly. And he is working or not, I don't have a control. And one fine day, if he quits, I'm going to have a challenge. And whether he's really working is really, my risk factor is very huge, because infrastructure cost of setting up an office, stock point, of course, stock I'm not giving in that case also. My monthly salary is paid out. Until I get result, I need to wait. And how many months it takes, we don't know. And how many buffer we need to have. It is a question mark. Whereas in Global Gunner, nothing to worry. I need to improve my packing. I need to create a knockdown kit which can be installed by the user. And I need to increase reduce the production cost so that I can share my profit with Global Gunner. This is where my strategies, I'm looking at working on different new products which can be sold across the shelf. So this is the products which can hit the market. So physical store owners. So some of the people have opened the digital mall stores. Some of the people are sharing their office, putting it as a digital mall. They don't have a product over there. So people who are really working on digital mall and they have opened a store, definitely GGFins will help them to bring in customer. GGFin is to increase the face value of our showroom and increase the number of walk-ins. Is it a revenue generator? It is definitely a question mark, but it is going to bring in more people into the market, because 24 hours money, it is an ATM. And you have samples displayed over there. You have products like ghee, honey over there, which is looking different. Definitely a visual impact will create a change in their mindset. Why not I try? It is just 300 rupees. Why should not I try one sample? Definitely the sample gives you recurring business. So product display. In case if it's a bigger products, you can have a small standee and an insurance poster can be there. So anybody who comes there can pay EB bills, can do insurance renewal. Everything can happen across the table. So people are there. How many products to sell? How many products you are going to showcase? A few amount of products which is available in Global Gunner, you are going to showcase. So automatically you can do it. Definitely it is going to have an impact. So digital mall owners should promote premium vendors and they should act very smart. See, we are all DM owners. We have a lot of WhatsApp group created by us or created by somebody and we are part of the group, right? And we will be doing it. So when you want to earn, we should convey to our users. So how many of the people in this group, around 53 people are there. How many of them have a small WhatsApp group for all your users? So friends, definitely go and start a WhatsApp group for all your Gigi users. I think Vanamali is having a user group. So likewise, many of them may not have it. Please start it. And if at all you have it also, you keep it active daily once. you can just have a small post about a product video or a premium vendor product which you have used and you are happy with it. You give a testimonial that I am happy with the ghee. It flavors more. It is very good and it is very tasty. And I am not getting any irritation, gastric irritation after taking more ghee also. This is a small testimonial. You can make it on a video and put it in this group. And people will come to ask for it. What is the product? How you get it? Where you got it? Okay. Product video. A lot of people who are in consumer durable products definitely have a short videos about the company. And today the trend is promoting it in the videos. So short videos will be there. And when you enroll a premium vendor, definitely ask them to create a small video about it. Help them to create. Today, mobile phones is there. Easily you can create a video, post it. Testimonial can be in the video form. See, once I get all these products, cleaning products, all these things, I take a picture. I standing near it and post it. I had purchased it. I am happy. Why not you? Put it in the group. They will be happy. See, here in Tamil Nadu, ghee, with the ghee, one guy has prepared jackfruit alwa with this ghee. And he posted it in the YouTube. And he started telling jackfruit alwa will be very tasty when you use V2V ghee. The last line of that. So people have started attempted to find a recipe, and every lady will get carried away by the recipe. And automatically she wants to prepare. And we tell them that if it has to be tasty, you need to buy premium vendor products. End of it. That's all. And every product, every company will have a seasonal sale, clearance sale, new launch. Here we came out with a different project in August 15th. Sendil, who is a channel partner in Mayiladuthurai, who is a manufacturer of V2V ghee, he searched, identified a few vendors, asked them for samples. So they gave a few samples. This Vishnu Priya Masala Food, they gave around 50 samples. So he bundled it together and he put a combo offer that people who book on August 15th, 330 rupees will be the ghee price, will get 300 rupee worth other products free. And he listed out all the products. It had around 15 products. And he took the pain to collect everything and started promoting. That is why he got 66 orders on a single day. And today also, whenever we meet him, he tells that today I got 5 orders. Today, and he is telling not even a day has passed without even a single order. Even on Sundays, I get a lot of orders. That is what he is happily telling. So the vendor is very happy. He is thrilled. So we have to put a lot of cross-selling techniques into it, and definitely it can be grouped. And now in Tamil Nadu, we have a Telegram group because WhatsApp has crossed the limit. So we have gone to Telegram and we have a target to create 1 lakh users before 30th September. And we have crossed around 16,000 yesterday. And today one MCP has taken charge to load today. So every MCP is given 1 day time. Full day he has to increase the users. I'm just searching today how much he has added. So that is how it goes in Tamil Nadu. See, it has gone to 17,718. Today morning it started with 16,008. That is 1,718 users he has added in this group. One particular MCP has added today 1,700 users. So we want to reach it 1 lakh users. So in Karnataka, if you start bundling it and start promoting these products into this platform, definitely it is going to be a big breakthrough. And when you want to promote a vendor, you want to add them into digital mall platform, you can showcase this. I have 1 lakh users with me. You want to put an advertisement and reach 1 lakh users every day for your products. We are here. That is enough. So it is a collective effort which we need to make to ensure that all the people are happy. Both, it is a win-win situation and we have to act smart. So coming to my success story, I am in Global Garner since date of inception from April 2020. So it started with a small business of solar pumps. I was only a 6% premium vendor, 6% vendor at that time. And Karthi from Chinnasalem has promoted 2,10,000 rupees for a solar power plant. And he earned 2,100 rupees. And Mohan, he was very keen. So he is a channel partner already. So he came to me for a solar water heater and I gave him a 10% discount. And he gained 2,400 rupees. Then came Mohana madam. She purchased solar pump for her farm and she gained 3,000 rupees because it is only 1% they get when you get a 6% vendor. Santana Krishnan has supported with solar street lights for a gated community. The order value is 11 lakhs and he earned 11,000 rupees. Hari, he's a master channel partner in Tirupur. He brought one customer last month to my office. We had a discussion. This particular customer has 3 quotations with him from different companies which are lower than my price. And we sat, explained the technicalities. And since Hari is a friend, he was confident to share all the quotations. And I explained all the features and I could crack the business because I could get what is in his mind. And he was confident enough to open the quotation of the competitor. So we negotiated and we struck a deal. And 45 lakhs is the order value. And Hari is getting 1% commission for that. It is 45,000 rupees. Murugapan sir promoted a solar pump and it is 4 lakh value and he is getting 4,000 rupees commission. And finally, I think you would have seen all these things. A ACP Madhu, who is just taken Digital Mall within a month's time, he had an opportunity to interact with me in a knowledge sharing program where I presented my product about solar water heaters and it is under premium vendor category. He went to Kodaikanal and he stayed in a hotel and he told that hotel was using a diesel boiler and he couldn't get hot water in the morning. So he chatted with that manager and he explained that, so why don't you use a solar heater, which is very effectively working. I saw some company which has installed in Kodaikanal also. So he called me from there and I was able to give examples in Kodaikanal, around 6 or 7 hotels where we have already installed. And fortunately, the third door from his hotel, it is in the next street itself. They had a solar water heater of us, which is working for 14 years. And immediately he passed that message, everything to the owner, and our person inspected. Within a week's time, the order was confirmed. And the order value is 6 lakhs plus GST. And this Digital Mall owner is going to enjoy before this, another 10 days, we will be completing the supply is happening day after tomorrow. Saturday, we are shipping the material. So 60,000 rupees is the commission for the Digital Mall owner. A Digital Mall owner who has purchased DM just 1 month back, one meeting he attended in a knowledge sharing session. He got a breakthrough and he got back his money. See the amount of happiness he got. His name was flashed across India. Vikash was explaining this and he was sending it across the all channels. It has been published. And he called me and told, sir, if the hotel owner sees this, that I am getting 10% commission, what will happen? Hey, don't worry, Baba. You have just promoted the product. Don't worry. Because the fear is that why this fellow has cheated me. He has taken 10% commission for this. All these things, it will not happen. Then we removed the hotel name in the list when it was circulated. So that is how the business is happening here and the income is reaching your pocket. So benefits to the Digital Mall owner is we are able to make more money using Digital Mall. And once you make 60,000 rupees in your Digital Mall, how confident you can show opening your UPass dashboard and how can you sell? Proof of earnings in your Digital Mall is going to give you a bigger confidence. Secondly, it is going to moot confidence for people where you are going to sell a UPass. And definitely for your team members, it can moot confidence, increase your team size, earn by making them earn. So the total concept is going to be thankfulness forever. Again, here I correlate with the studentpreneur program. So when you identify a student, motivate him, and he is going to get a perennial income. Say start with a small volume of 50 people, 50,000 rupees monthly, 50 users, 1,000 rupees per user he is earning. Definitely 10,000 is going to be a spending. Target on a premium vendor and automatically the business is going to happen. So his income is going to be 50,000 rupees month on month. And for a small working time of about 2 hours in a day, he's going to earn 50,000 rupees. Next, he is going for a campus interview, or he is going to face an interview for his career. What confident he will speak? His monthly income is going to be 50,000 rupees. Will he demand? Definitely he will demand. That is the order of the day, because he is confident that he is getting 50,000 every month. So he will start demanding, he will speak with authority. Definitely the job is assured. Today I preach to the students the same thing. Once your pocket is full, your confidence level will be automatic. You need not put effort. When you show desperation, it is risky in a campus interview. When you are confident and we are not desperate, definitely the result is on our favor. So with this, thank you very much for the opportunity. And if the time permits, I'll just open my presentation about a premium vendor, which I like to promote it amongst the 50 audience over here. So VSAT is a company with 30 years of experience in solar industry. And we have a team of 56 members, and we have more than 45 dealers across the country. And it has all the certifications which is required by the government. It is ISO, a channel partner for MNRE, approved supplier for Tamil Nadu Energy Development Agency. And recently in 2019, we converted into a private limited company because it is a family business. Myself and my wife were only partners. Now we included all the family members and made it into a private limited company because government wants a private limited company or a limited company to participate in government tenders. It is not allowing a partnership firm to participate. So we have done it. And as far as solar water heaters are concerned, we have 4,000 plus satisfied customers in Nilgiris, which is much cooler than Bangalore. And Asim Premji and Rakesh Sharma are my good clients, and they are good friends of mine also. So why we need to promote solar energy? It is absolutely free energy available to you on your rooftop, unlike your EB and water meters charged monthly or bi-monthly. It is a clean energy available to you in the rooftop. See, 1 unit of electricity produced in Neyveli or Ramagundam or any other thermal power station is liberating 1.5 kilogram of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which is root cause for the global warming. Whereas when you use solar panels and generate electricity on your rooftop, it is going to save that amount of pollution into the atmosphere. So we are indirectly contributing to the environment. That is why I claim it is pollution free. Inexhaustible source. As long as sun is there in this earth, life is going to exist. Assume that sun takes a sick leave for about a month. Starting from green plants will not be there. So you won't get green leaves for our cooking. Next week, it is not going to be animals. Next, we are going to be exhausted. So it is an inexhaustible source of energy available to you. And sun god is blessing everyone uniformly. Maybe a hut or a thatched roof or an asbestos roof or an RCC roof or a gold-plated Gobram. The sunlight is uniform over this. So the methods to tap is solar water heaters. I think for Karnataka people, I did not talk about solar heaters. Every house daringly use solar heaters in Karnataka because it has been mandated since 2004 in Karnataka. So how does it work? It is just heating the water to the black body radiation and stores in the storage tank, which you can use it for the tomorrow morning application. So there is another technology, which is a glass tube technology, which is cost effective and more efficient than a regular one, suitable for hard waters. So this is a very prominent technology available to us. So depending upon the family size, we have capacities. For a 4-member family with a 2-bathroom connection, we recommend 100 liters, and the capacity goes on up to 500 for a domestic models. Similarly, in the glass tube, we have 125, 150, 200 like that for your requirement. And I'm showing more of photos in Kunur and Nilgiris because this system is installed in 1994 in Nilgiris near Kunur. And here the tank is hidden inside the attached tiles above the bathroom. And you can see the air pipe over here and the cold water is going inside because this customer does not want the tank to be seen on the beautiful roof over here. So we submerged the tank into the roof. So in places where it can be installed even on a tiled roof, we can done it because it is wherever it can be necessary to be installed, we can do it. So first question is, can you have hot water in the early morning? The water heaters today's afternoon, it is going to get tomorrow, and the heat can be retained for 96 hours, so you can use it. Can we get hot water in winter? People will be very much worried that winter only I need hot water, whether I can get it. I'll give you a small example. The day after a rainy day, you will get the sunlight very hot. The scorching hot sunlight will be there. The reason is Rain is a natural mechanism which cleans all the dust particle in the atmosphere. So next day you will get direct radiation, which heats up faster. That is why in Ooty, the efficiency is more than in Coimbatore or Bangalore. See, in Bangalore, during the misty days, you will find the temperature difference is very wide.
It's 8 o'clock.
It goes up to 20 degrees. The daytime will be very chill. At the same time, afternoon will be very hot. So the water will be heated in the afternoon and it is stored. And it is built-in electrical heater is also inside so that you can use it 365 days. So cost of a solar water heater comparatively, it will pay you back by electricity savings in just 15 months. If at all you use it for 300 days in a year, assume that you use only 50%, your payback is in 30 months. And if you are going to use it only 3 months in a year, it is going to be 60 months. And remember, any of your gadgets in your house will not pay you back. Whereas here, sun makes it work, so it starts paying you back. So even in apartments, we can do systems like this. And in industrial systems, so what is the role of a DM owner? It will be a bit difficult. So what we have is, we have a small questionnaire. We provide customized solution to the customer. So we will give you a small questionnaire if the customer is interested in solar and you have a customer who can be used. So you send the question, I will send you the questionnaire through WhatsApp. You can fill up that questionnaire. We will give you a budgetary costing with the return on investment calculation. In how many months you will get your money back or how many years you will get your money back. And we can give you money back guarantee for that performance also. So automatically we can generate up to 85 degrees centigrade. Capacity goes up to 1 lakhs and custom designed for special application, boilers, all these things. So application area I'm going to show you now. Hospitals are a good bid for solar heaters. Hotels are good bid for solar heaters. Hostels, education institution hostels are good bid for solar. This particular is at Lawrence School, Ooty. It is in the Lavadale Valley where the temperature in the night goes to -4 degrees centigrade. And for industries, it can be used for boiler feed. And all this application, your return of investment by saving diesel or electricity or gas is less than 2 years. Whereas the system life is going to be more than 20 years. This is a hospital in Madurai, which has been using since 2000, and they are still using it. They are happy. This is a hotel in Tirupur, which is integrated with the LPG backup system, what they are available. This is for a hostel in Coimbatore. Karunya University is a very famous university. They are using it for the hostels. This is again hostel in Lawrence School. It is in the girls' hostel. They are using it. And the return of investment is just 2.5 years. As per the calculation, when we installed in 2009, when the diesel price was 50 rupees. Today, it is going to be 15 months, not 2.5 years. So this is a small questionnaire. We request you to fill it up and you can send it to us. We will do the rest and we ensure that you get 10% commission in your digital mall. So we have other products like this. We have industrial solar, solar water heaters, solar water pumping, forest lighting. This photovoltaic systems comes under 6% vendor where you will get 1%, but the order value will be very high, like 45 lakhs and 50 lakhs. Again, you are going to reap 5 digits as commissions. So definitely it will be useful. And my success story is, till now I had received 27 orders as of today. Actually, this slide is prepared 1 month back. Now it has gone around 90 lakhs. So I'm just highlighting that again here. Under installation, it is processed. So thank you very much for your patient hearing, and the floor is open for Q&A in case of any clarifications, both on the premium vendor side as well as on my product side. Thank you very much.
Wonderful.